Show you how to change the spark plugs on this Honda CB500 2017 plate. It's quite tricky, a bit complicated, and it's a bit tough, but okay. Make sure the first thing you got to do is make sure that your petrol tank is empty. Then I suggest you start working on this. As usual, you take the, as you can see here, that's other way around. I've just turned the tank around, but that's the back part. You just take the bolt out, undo these two bolts, which will be the front part, and it will give you a lot of leverage inside. Undo this breather pipe that goes along here, inside here, it goes along. There is also another pipe, a little breather pipe, that goes inside here as well. There. So just be careful when you do look at it. Make sure you put the pipes back in. Also, you've got to take off the front of these fairings, or whatever you call them. There's only three hexagon keys, 1, 2, and there's one third one that goes here, 3. So take them both off on each side. Once you do that, there's another bolt here that connects onto here. Undo that, a 10mm, and then just pull this over, lift this out as much as you can. And there's another breather pipe. There's another, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a breather pipe down here. See that? There's a breather pipe down there, and that's the breather pipe, this one. Take the clip off it and pull it right back, so you got leverage inside. And as you can see, there's one spark plug there, and the second one is here. So what you need, what I done is make sure you get this spark plug tool, and what I've done is taped it around, and you've got enough leverage to pull it down. So I'm going to pull it down. Okay, that's that. It's a bit of a tight one, so bear with me, I'll be back in a second. Right then, so now that I've got it out, remember to make sure that it sticks inside the rubber. There you got the plug. Okay, let's put a new one in. Alright, so we've got the plug in now. Make sure it sticks into that rubber, it doesn't fall out, and we put it back in. Okay, so I've put both the plugs in now. If you can, don't know if you can see, but they are down there. There's one, and there's the other one down there. Now the hardest part is actually putting the spark plug lead back on, and we've got to make sure that's really tight and secure. Be right back. I've finished putting the plugs back in. So like I was saying, to take the tank off, take this off. Yeah, the nut and bolt. These two bolts from here. Take the fairings off. These ones. Yeah, take them off. So that's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side. Good luck.